Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country style home decor inspiration for your cozy home decor. Let's start the video. Country style home decor is a warm, inviting and timeless decorating style inspired by rural living and traditional farmhouses. It emphasizes comfort, simplicity, and a close connection to nature, often blending rustic charm with practicality. Here are the key features of country-style home decor. Natural materials, lots of wood, stone, and brick for furniture, flooring, and fireplaces. Also uses wicker baskets, earth, iron, and ceramics are common accents. Warm and cozy colors with soft, earthy, and muted shades like creams, whites, shoes green, soft blue, warm beige, terracotta, and burnt red. Patterns like gingham, florals, and plaid add a homely touch. Comfortable furniture study practical pages, often in distress or painted wood. Use plush sofas, rocking chairs, and farmhouse tables. Textiles and fabrics, quilt, lace, ruffled curtains, knitted shawls, and embroidered linens. Use natural fabrics like cotton and linen are popular. Rustic accessories, vintage finds, enamel, lanterns, old clocks and messengers, handmade crafts and antique give personality and charm. Connection to nature, fresh flowers in pictures, potted herbs in the kitchen, and floral or pastoral artwork. Decor often highlights the outdoors and countryside lifestyle. Inviting atmosphere, a country-style home feels lived in and cozy rather than polished or overly modern. Spaces are designed for family gatherings, home-cooked meals, and relaxation. Country-style home decor is about simplicity, comfort, and nostalgia, creating a welcoming home that blends beauty with everyday practicality. The essence of country-style decor. Country decor is rooted in heritage, tradition, and rural living. It is not just about furniture or colors. It is about creating a homey, timeless, and comforting atmosphere where everything feels natural, practical, and welcoming. Unlike sleek modern styles, country decor embraces imperfections, own old, handmade crafts, and vintage details that tell a story. Variations of country style decor, English country, cozy floral fabrics, antique furniture, and a collected over time feeling. Prince country, more refined, wood distress, whitewashed furniture, lavender, old iron, and soft pastel tones. American farmhouse, rustic, practical with chip-lap walls, barn doors, and vintage farm tools as decor. Rustic country, heavy oats, stone fireplaces, haunting, loads, vibes, earthy tones. Modern country keeps the warmth but adds cleaner lines, neutral tones, and less clutter. Country style is more than looks, it evokes nostalgia, comfort, and belonging. It feels like coming home after a long day, a warm meal on the table, a soft quiet on the couch, and a sense of peace away from the busyness of modern life. Let's go even deeper into country style home decor so you can really understand the lifestyle and atmosphere it creates. Philosophy behind country style at its core. Country decor is about comfort, tradition, and a close connection to nature. It values simplicity over sophistication and function over flashiness. Yet it never sacrifices beauty. It celebrates heritage, craftsmanship, and natural materials. Unlike modern minimalist styles, country decor loves the feeling of a home that has been lived in and loved for generations. Materials and textures oak, pine, reclaimed barn or painted or distressed finishes. Stone and brick used in fireplaces, walls, or flooring for earthy warmth. Iron and metal, oak, iron candle holders, copper pots, and decantware. Use natural fabrics like linen, cotton, burlap, wool, and lace for softness. Textures, rough-hewn beams, open baskets, soft quills, mixing hard and soft textures create this balance. Furniture styles, sturdy and practical. Furniture is built to last, often chunky and functional. Farmhouse tables, long wooden tables, sometimes with mismatched chairs. Cupboards and dressers painted in soft hues, often distressed for an antique look. Comfort first, overstuffed sofas, armchairs with slip covers and rocking chairs. Antique or vintage pieces, often repurposed or passed down through generations. Accessories and details, ceramics and pottery, earthenware bowls, jugs, and platters displayed openly. Baskets and craths for storage and decoration, often open or wooden. Handmade touches, crocheted towels, embroidered cushions, hand-painted sign, seasonal touches, fresh flowers in spring, dried herbs in summer, pumpkins in autumn, pine cones in winter. Lifestyle atmosphere. Country style is not just decor, it is a way of living. Cooking hearty meals in a warm kitchen, gathering around a big wooden table with family. Reading by the fireplace in a cozy armchair, opening windows to let in fresh countryside air. Decorating with thought you already have, or items with a story behind them. Regional flavors of country style, English country, romantic, cozy floral fabrics, layered decor, old oak furniture. French country preference, whitewashed wood, pastel tones, lavender bundles, earth iron. American farmhouse use barn doors, gypsum, galvanized metal, and passengers. Rustic country, log cabins, hunting, lodged fill, leather chairs, and heavy stone. Scandinavian country is light wood, hilly colors, simple and airy, very natural. Country style decor is warm, timeless, and personal. It makes the home feel safe, welcoming, and deeply rooted in tradition and nature. The soul of country style. Country decor is not just about design, It is about creating a way of living that feels authentic, warm, and connected to the past. Every object tells a story, and hand-me-down quilt, a village rocking chair, or ceramic jug from a local artisan, unlike modern, sleek styles, it embraces imperfections and age, making them part of the charm. Architectural features often seen. Beamed ceilings use exposed wooden beams for rustic character. Stone fireplaces, the heart of many country homes. White plank wood floors, oak pine, or reclaimed burnt wood. Paneled walls or shiplap adds texture and coziness. Big farmhouse sinks, especially in kitchens, paired with brass or iron taps. Furniture in detail, dining farmhouse tables with mismatched chairs, painted or natural wood. Living rooms, slip-covered sofas, rocking chairs, and oversized armchairs. Bedroom use iron bed frames, wooden dressers, and patchwork quilts. Storage open shelves, hatches, and glass-front cabinet displaying dishware. Decor and accessories in fluted tip, vintage kitchenware, enamel pots, cast iron pans, ceramic mixing bowls. Wall decor, botanical prints, farm scenes, family photos in wooden frames. Lighting, lanterns, old iron candlelights, and lamps with cubic shades. Nature indoors, fresh flowers, dried lavender, potted herbs on windowsills. Handmade and repurposed old craths as shelves, messengers as vases, ladders as blanket jacks. Lifestyle and feeling, spaces felt lived in, not staged. Decor celebrates everyday routines, a fruit bowl on the table, aprons hanging in the kitchen. The home is made for gathering, relaxing, and enjoying simple pleasures. Country style bedroom, kitchen, the heart of the home, apron front sinks, hanging copper pots, open shelving, and farmhouse table. Living room, cozy sofas, stone fireplace, layered rugs, and soft drawers. Bedroom, iron bed, floral or patchwork quilt, lace or ruffled curtains. Bathroom use clawfoot tub, bedboard walls, wicker baskets, and floral towels. Entryway use wooden beds, hooks, oven baskets for shoes. At its heart, country style is about creating a home that feels timeless, natural, and welcoming. A place where beauty and practicality meet. Origins and inspiration, country decor grew from rural farm life, where homes are built with locally available materials and decorated with functional handmade and durable objects. Over time, these necessity-based styles evolved a warm, nostalgic design movement that people all over the world now embrace, even in urban settings. Country style home decor deep exploration, the lifestyle behind the style. Country decor is more than just pretty rooms. It is rooted in a way of living. The lifestyle behind the style. Country decor is more than just pretty rooms. It is rooted in a way of living, emphasis on family gatherings, big tables, cozy living rooms. Self-sufficiency and practicality use open shelves, mason jars, and baskets. A strong connection to nature and the seasons, like flowers, herbs, and natural light. Spaces designed for comfort and use, not just display. Expanded use of materials, wood not just for furniture, but also for beams, flooring, wall paneling, and even ceilings. A stone seen in flooring, fireplaces, and sometimes kitchen counters. Brick adds warmth and texture, often left exposed. Metal, earth, iron, tin, and copper add rustic charm. Textiles, thick wool blankets for winter, light linen curtains for summer. Decorative accessories in detail, kitchen, copperboard hanging, glass jars for chai goods, and enamel art. Living room, mantles with candlesticks, framed botanical art, and clocks. Bedroom, use patchwork quilt, crocheted bedspreads, embroidered pillows. Bathroom, use cloth tub, wicker storage baskets, and floral curtains. Hallways and entryways. Wooden benches, coat pegs, umbrella stand. Extend country style variations. Irish country, a stone cottage, chip cranes, fireplaces with turf or peat. Spanish country, terracotta tiles, oat iron, colorful ceramics. Seasonal touches, country homes often change with the seasons. Spring, fresh tulip, floral curtains, and light linens. Summer, herbs in the kitchen, open windows, and wicker furniture. The emotional feel. When you walk into a country-style home, you should feel welcomed. Soft light and cozy setting. Nostalgic antiques, heirlooms, handmade crafts. Comforted by textiles, inviting scents like baked bread or herbs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.